to the heavens, haven't you, Laura?
Again?
Yes, there could be some stargazers' delights to look forward to as we head through the next few days. A comet, it's been hurtling through space towards the sun at an astonishing 850,000 miles per hour. Today is important. It could be the last day astronomers see it. It's at its closest to the sun. It's going to slingshot around the sun through this weekend. And it's going to do one of two things. It could fizzle out because it's made of ice and melt due to the heat of the sun, or scientists are most hopeful that it will re-emerge around the other side. One of the brightest comets we'll have seen for at least 100 years. And for the first 2 weeks of December, every morning we could be treated to this fantastic comet flying through the sky. So it's really something to look forward to. We're going to need some clear skies, and this morning, I'm afraid, is looking pretty cloudy. Let's take a look.
Brightening your home, whatever the weather.
Yes, these familiar cloudy, leaden skies greet us first thing this morning. At least, again, it means it's fairly mild. Not as wet as it was yesterday, but there is some rain across the far northwest, courtesy of a weather system that's going to creep across the country today. The most important feature of this weather front is the cold front that trails on behind that will sink its way south tonight, bringing clearer, fresher, sunnier skies, but colder conditions. And then on into the weekend, high pressure builds back in, keeping most of our weather fronts at bay, so the outlook is good. But for today, it's again cloudy, grey. You can see here on the banks of the River Thames, it's quite misty, quite murky around as well, with some dense fog through central parts of England. Now, as we head through this morning, there's really limited brightness, the best of any sunshine reserved for eastern Scotland, perhaps the far northeast of England, with some shelter from a gentle westerly breeze. It does mean western areas, the thickest cloud, with some damp, drizzly conditions. This afternoon, no major changes, the cloud lifting, so perhaps bright skies rather than sunny skies. I don't think as grey as they were yesterday, with that rain still in the northwest, and highs 8 to 10 degrees. Now tonight we start to see that colder air with clearer skies filtering in across Scotland. A touch of frost here further south. It remains cloudy with patchy rain, some mist and fog, and again mild. So tomorrow, England and Wales, again, this familiar grey, grim, cloudy start, damp, drizzly weather here and there, but that will slowly clear away through the day. Then tomorrow, much more sunshine in prospect, a bit of a cooler day to come, and we'll see a peppering of showers arriving across northwestern Scotland, cold enough here for a touch of snow across the mountains. And then into the weekend, as I mentioned, high pressure dominates. Patchy cloud around, mostly dry. We should all see some decent spells of sunshine, and temperatures for many are pretty much smack bang where they should be for the time of the year, so it's looking good.